गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज का ये वीडियो होने वाला है एक बहुत ही रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो। जैसा कि आपको पता है कि मेरे चैनल पे काफी सारे वेट लॉस वीडियोस डले हुए हैं, लाइक वर्कआउट वीडियो या फिर व्हाट आई ईट इन अ डे वीडियो। तो मैंने काफी ज्यादा वेट लॉस किया हुआ है, लाइक अप्रोक्सीमेटली 23 to 24 kgs। आज का ये जो वीडियो है ये होगा मेरे डाइट के ऊपर कि मैंने क्या डाइट फॉलो की थी या मैं अभी क्या डाइट फॉलो कर रही हूँ, द डाइट विच आई एम फॉलोइंग राइट नाउ एंड ड्यूरिंग माई वेट लॉस. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you all my entire funda of my diet, like what meals I had, what snacks I ate, and everything that I used to have during my weight loss. And so yeah, without any further ado, let's get. So जो सबसे पहली चीज है, like मैं I'll start in the order of like the day, what you should have, what I had. So the first thing in the day, in the morning, that you should have is approximately 1 to 2 glass of water. And now what is the different thing is, like, you have to have warm water. If you want, you can add anything in that, lemon, apple cider, anything of that sort. But if you don't like anything, like me, I don't like lemon or apple cider or anything, for now at least, so I just have plain water. It increases your metabolism, it wakes up your system, and it's really good for your belly fat also. So the first thing that you have to do is that. And having said that, like, water plays a very important role in our diet and weight loss. A lot of time we just ignore the importance of water. So what you have to do is you have to drink a lot of water during your weight loss time, or during your diet, or anyways water is very important. So what I did was I used to have only warm water throughout the day, like no fridge ka pani to bilkul bhi nahi, no room temperature water, always lukewarm water. It is really good for your system. Like even if you eat something which is like not able to digest, or some things which have a lot of oil or spices, so it really soothes your system. Coming to breakfast, like, see, neither I did intermittent fasting nor I followed the 2 hours wala meal. I ate whenever I was hungry, and I ate like the breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, and midday meals if I wanted to eat, like not zabardasti ki I have to have it, not because of that. I only ate when I felt hungry. So for breakfast, when I was trying to lose so much of weight, I had fruits. I had like a big bowl of fruits. I didn't have any carbs in the morning, no tea, nothing. You can have green tea, like we'll come on that. So breakfast mein I had a big bowl of fruits. It can be any seasonal fruit. Try to avoid mango and banana. We can have watermelon, we can have papaya, we can have apple, oranges, grapes, muskmelon, pineapple, all these things. So, or any seasonal fruit, or any local fruit that you have in your locality. So I had only fruits in the morning. Sometimes when I wanted to have anything different, or if I get bored of having fruits, I used to have eggs, boiled eggs, simple boiled eggs, because I'm somebody who doesn't like a lot of sweet. So boiled eggs with some salt and pepper, it was good for me. So boiled eggs, and that too not a lot, like 1 to 2 boiled eggs, because we were in the phase of losing a lot of weight. Like now I have changed my breakfast options, which we will talk in some other video. Today the video is all about losing that great amount of weight. So my weight loss transformations diet. So I had fruits and these things in the morning. Always I used to have a lot of water in between my meals. Like if I'm doing something, I'll have water. If I'm sitting, I'll have water. Second thing came lunch. So lunch may you have to keep your diet very simple. If you see a lot of diet wale videos, a lot of articles, if you read, you'll see there are a lot of confusions, like Some people are like, have soups and salads and, chicken and grilled and falana dimkana. See, for a normal human being, for an average person like me, it was very, very difficult to, go on those sort of diets. Even if you go on those sort of diets, you'll do it for one day, you'll do it for 2 days, or maybe a week. You are not going to continue that kind of a diet for a longer period. So I followed a very, very simple diet that was basic ghar ka khana. Now, how do we go about it? Like, ghar ka khana kha rahe hain, but फिर भी, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. Why? Because no rice, no sugar, no maida, no junk. Bahar ka khana is a no-no. No junk at all. No outside food. See, if you have to lose a lot of weight, we have to do certain compromises, at least for some months. I followed a very, very good, strict, balanced diet for at least 4 to 5 months. After that, I started incorporating a little bit, cheat meals here and there, and, something like that. So, in lunch, what I had was 2 rotis, dal or sabji. Like, you can have dal and sabji both, or if you don't have both the things, you have 2 rotis, sabji with salad. Not an extra bite after that. Just 2 rotis and sabji. See, what happens is when we have gained so much of weight in the past years, our body gets used to eating a lot. Our portions, if we need this much, we used to eat this much. So we have to get to the original portion that our body needs. So I had only 2 rotis along with dal or sabji and salad. I used to have water before my meal. And then after my meal, after 1 to 2 hours, I used to have water again, so that my body doesn't feel starved and it feels full. Because a lot of time we are thirsty, our body needs water, but we feel that we're hungry, so we eat a lot. And no more munching in betweens. I didn't used to munch anything. If some days, if I worked out a lot, or if I'm feeling hungry, the things that I used to have, like snacks, what I'm telling you, the options are, I used to have sprouts, I used to have roasted peanuts, chana, cucumbers, any fruit if available. So these were the snack options. Or anything that is healthy. Makhanas are really good, but not a lot. If we develop a habit of munching during our the big weight loss transformation, you'll have a habit of munching a lot. So reduce the munching thing. And then straight away I used to have dinner, and dinner I used to have really, really early, like at least not more than 8 p.m. So in dinner again I used to have 2 roti and sabji. Very, very basic and very, very simple. No rocket science. Your home cooked food is the most healthiest diet that you can follow. The things that affected me and made me fat were junk, pizzas, burgers, sandwiches, shakes, chocolates, cakes, and all these things. My roti sabji never made me fat. So the best food is home cooked food, which I followed. Maybe some of you would feel that you're lying and you followed some other diet and you're lying. No, you can trust me on that, because firstly, I'm not that active to make soups and salads every day. I don't know how to make soups. If you ask me to go on a soup diet, I'll buy Knorr ka soup ya fir Ching's ka soup and I'll drink that, which is again not that healthy. So I always ate normal ghar ka khana. You can further, it's like differentiate things. You can further add things, like in the dinner, if you don't feel like having 2 rotis, you can have 1. If you can have more sabji and less roti. I didn't have rice for at least 5 to 6 months. It's not that you cannot have rice, but when you're trying to lose a lot of weight, you should cut the rice thing from your diet. And because I was very, very addicted to rice, so it helped me in controlling my portions. Like eating this much of rice and eating 2 rotis are, they are actually cutting your calories. So, and if you really, really feel like having rice someday with certain things, rajma or chole, you can have brown rice. So this was only my seedha, simple, weight loss diet. I really hope that you, felt it was a little helpful. and also a lot of more workout videos will be coming through on my channel, and a lot of healthy food options and what I eat in a day now. Stay connected, stay subscribed, share it with your friends, like this video, and also if you have not pressed the bell icon, please press that so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So yeah, till then, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.